Hello, and welcome to Search for Beginners. If you want to learn the basics of creating an online presence and using Google search tools to help customers find your website, this series is for you. You'll learn about the various platforms and methods for creating an online presence and how to choose the best one for you, as well as how to connect with developers if you need technical help. We will explore how Google search works and address frequently asked questions about search and discoverability, such as, is my website on Google? How do I change what is showing up on Google search? Or, how do I correct inaccurate information about my business in Google search? This series will cover a wide variety of information, some basic and some more advanced, and can be watched in any order, so you can focus on the information that is most relevant to you and your skill level. New episodes will be released every 2 weeks, starting tomorrow. Subscribe to the Google Webmasters channel so you don't miss any future videos. We hope you enjoy the series.